Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to convert an image to text using Google Docs. Begin by navigating to your Google Drive account, which serves as the central hub for this process. Once there, locate the New button, typically positioned on the left side of your screen. Click New, then select File Upload, and choose the image file you want to process. This initial step is crucial for getting your image into the Google Docs ecosystem. After your image successfully uploads, find it in your Google Drive, often under Recent Files or in the folder where you uploaded it. Right-click on the image file itself, which will bring up a helpful menu of options. From this menu, carefully hover your mouse over the words Open with. Then, select Google Docs from the sub-menu that appears, initiating the conversion. When you open the image with Google Docs, it automatically begins processing using its built-in Optical Character Recognition, or OCR, technology. The resulting document presents your original image clearly at the very top of the page. Immediately below that image, you will see the text that Google Docs has successfully extracted. This text is now fully editable, ready for you to work with. Although Google Docs OCR is highly sophisticated, it is always a good practice to thoroughly review the extracted text. Look closely for any misinterpretations, especially with complex fonts or blurry images, and correct them as needed. You can now edit this text freely, just as you would any other document created in Google Docs. Feel free to adjust the font, size, or paragraph spacing to match your specific requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.